Hi everyone, Kieran Oversapping here from Filmstorm Studios, and today I'm bringing you an exciting tutorial, and I'm actually going to show you my free project file to create your own multiplayer game. And this is actually like a third-person GTA style system that pretty much uses the animator function, so that way it syncs over the network, so you can have up to 20 players using Photon, which is Unity's probably best multiplayer solution. So I'm on filmstorm.net right now, and you can actually come here to download the free package. So if you just type in GTA, this will take us to the project file, and as you can see, it's free, and all you need to do is just download it, add to cart, and just check it out, and then just put your details in, just put that in, and then it will give us the download link. So then we can just come down. It just says that you need Playmaker. So we'll just install that after we download it, and you'll just need that Photon license key. It's free, so you just need to sign up on their site, and it will actually give you a key. So once you sign up, you go to www.photon engine, and you'll actually sign up. And if you come up to dashboard real time, you'll get your app ID, and it's kind of hidden here, so I don't want people seeing my key, so you want to kind of keep that to yourself. But if you click on that, it will actually show you a whole bunch of numbers, and you want to copy it all, and then we'll bring that into Unity. So let's download this, and that will get it started. But I've already got it downloaded, so once that's done, you want to come and extract it. So this will extract your file, and then we'll want to go to, just refresh it, and that's multiplayer game, and assets, and just go to scene, and we'll just open up multiplayer. And this will actually load up the assets and import that. All right, now let me just import Playmaker. Alrighty. And I've already installed all the actions, so you don't have to worry about that, and it will just replace the actual project files for the plugin, so that way we're getting around any legal issues. So once that's done, it's going to compile, and boom. So now you'll see, we'll just clear the console because it was giving us errors because it wasn't installed. Now it's all nice and clean, and now we'll just want to grab that pun code, or that Photon code, and where you want to put it is in Window, Photon Unity Networking, Highlight Server Settings, and in this app ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the site, and I'll block out the number here. So you click it, Control C, and then we'll come back to Unity, and I'm going to block it again so you can't see it, but you'll want to paste it in there. And that is pretty much it. So what basically happens is if I just press play, just so you'll see, it gives us the option to create a room or join a room. But of course, since we're the first player, we'll want to create a room. And voila, we're in the world. And I've actually synced the running movements and also jumping. And so other players will be able to see you. And there's also a dynamic fall motion as well. So you can build upon this, and you can actually see the code that I've put into the players and the game manager on how this all works, and you can expand it for yourself. But it's a good starting point. So if we jump, it syncs. So now let's actually test it on an online component. So let's come to build settings, and it's already all in Windows. So let's maybe create a new folder. Let's call this test builds. And let's just call this build one. And it's just going to compile the scripts. All right, so now let's run that build. And we'll just probably want to, I'll just make it a little bit smaller. And we'll want to turn on another one so that way we can see both windows. And let's just click play. And let's just move this one over here. All right, so you can see we have create room. So let's create a room on this one. Get in there. All right, boom. So now we're in one game. So I'll just move this guy up here. Okay, and then I'll join this room. Ah, look, and we're in the same room, as you can see. So now let me I'll just swing I'll just have to swing the camera around there. All right, and now you can see I'm moving around in a multiplayer setting. And if I jump, look, and that is perfectly synced. So actually I might move back here. I'll just try and I have to get the camera in focus, there we are. And this works in reverse, and if I jump, and syncs the jump motion perfectly. And also, if I'll just move this guy over here, we can also bring in more people. So let's press play, let's minimize that one. So I'll move this one over here, and then let's just join the room. Oh, hey guys, so you're over there, I'm over here. And now you can see that all of them are all talking to each other. So this is great, and basically we've got this set up in maybe under 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to try it out, and of course I will keep building probably more functions into it and updating the asset as I go, and probably eventually it might even become a paid asset, so you guys are getting a really good deal for all the time I've put into this. But if you want to use this project in your own, I would only ask just put a credit for me in one of your sections in the credits, maybe as like a code multiplayer engineer. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys had fun with it. You can really take this as far as you want, or minimize it. You can make it like a little soccer game and just sync all the balls together. But basically I'm just gonna leave this right here for you, and hope you all enjoy it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.